When a fully loaded tanker loses propulsion, everything changes. Speed drops, steering fades, and in that moment, only one system stands between the ship and danger: the emergency towing arrangement. The ETA, the ship's lifeline. Let's begin with the aft emergency towing arrangement. At the stern, the ETA is designed for load control and strength. Here you will normally see a dedicated strong point or pad eye with a clear SWL marking, a towing drum or storage reel, and a heavy towing pennant connected through shackles. Important point: the towing load is not held on the winch. The real strength comes from the strong point. The winch is only used to pay out or control the line, not to take the full towing load. Now, how is it released? The emergency towing arrangement does not depend on ship's electrical power. Even in a total blackout, it can still be deployed. The system works mainly on mechanical locking and gravity. In an emergency, the crew clears the safety pin or stopper, and the pickup gear is released. A marker buoy and messenger rope fall into the water by gravity. No motors, no electricity, just pure mechanical deployment. When the assisting tug grabs the buoy and pulls the messenger line, the towing pennant smoothly pays out from the drum under controlled brake tension. Industry practice requires the aft ETA to be fully deployable within about 15 minutes. Now moving to the forward emergency towing arrangement. At the bow, the priority is speed and quick connection. You will find a dedicated strong point, a heavy-duty fairlead or center lead, and a chafing chain already led outside the hull to protect against steel edge friction. The chafing chain is normally stored inside the chain locker. During preparation, the locker is opened, and using the ship's davit or crane, the end of the chain is carefully lifted onto the deck. The chain is then guided towards the chain stopper, commonly known as the Smith bracket, and laid straight without twists to avoid sudden jerks. One chain link is positioned inside the bracket, the hinged pin is inserted, and the load is transferred to the ship's strongest structural point. The free end is led through the center fairlead with a messenger rope attached. The tug first pulls the messenger line, and gradually the heavy chain reaches the tug's towing hook. Industry practice expects the forward ETA to be ready within about 5 minutes. Safety is always the priority. Crew must stay clear of snapback zones, maintain clear radio communication, and ensure pins, shackles, chains, and grease points are in proper condition. SOLAS regulations require both forward and aft arrangements to be readily deployable at all times, because emergencies do not send warnings. The bow provides quick connection. The afty provides load control. Together, both ETAs ensure that a tug can safely assist the ship from either direction. Because when engines stop, the ETA must work.